In our previous video, we instructed you how to create a Screencastify, but in this video I want to clarify what happens the first time you create a Screencastify video, as well as how to make sure that any parent that accesses these videos can see it. Please remember, you have to do this step that I'm about to show you to allow your students and parents to be able to view these videos. Right-click your folder or highlight it and press the person with the plus sign. The sharing menu will come up. You can press Advanced. And notice how by default only you can access these videos. We need to change that permission. We're going to change it to anyone with the link. The reason being, in case a parent needs to view the video as well, anyone with that link can now view it. So again, I went up to I highlight the folder, I press the person with the plus sign, I went to Advanced. Over here it said Private. I can click Change, choose anyone with the link, and then Save. Whenever we record our Screencastify videos, they go into this folder, Screencastify, located in your Google Drive. If you want to see any of your videos and share them individually, you can double-click into that folder and see a list of the videos that you've created. If I want to rename a video, I can right-click it and press Rename and give it a new title. If I want to share this video individually with someone, I can always click Get Shareable Link and just copy that link and paste it into an email. Just like this. That will allow our recipient to actually watch the video. In addition, if you want to post these to Google Classroom, you can do that directly from this link here inside of Screencastify, or you can copy the link and go to your Google Classroom and just paste it into your stream.